A good Tuesday, everybody. I'm meteorologist Ben Derry. Thanks for checking out KARE 11 Plus. So temperatures quite mild again. Most of us are in the lower 40s for the second consecutive day. That's about 20 degrees warmer than average. Now, temperatures cool off sharply as we head into Wednesday. A little snow as we head into Thursday and Friday, and that will be followed up by some actual January chill. That'll be this upcoming weekend. More on that in a second, but first we got to talk about that snow chance. Our weather impact alert goes into effect Thursday afternoon, lasting through Friday morning. It's one of those long-winded light snowfall events. It's probably not going to add up to much, but snow showers will be around during most of this time. That could have an impact on roads, and you got to use caution if you're heading out and about. Probably enough to shovel. Doesn't look like a major snowstorm, but it's something that we'll be keeping tabs on over the next couple of days. We started the day off with sunshine. Clouds have since moved in. Nothing's going to come from these clouds, but today is likely going to be our last really warm day for a while. Temperatures cooling off as we head into Wednesday. Then we have that longer lasting light to moderate snowfall event, followed by bitter cold as we head into the weekend. Looking and feeling much more like January. There's the cloudiness moving back in from the north, and you can see with radar overlaid on top of this, we're not expecting anything falling from these clouds. Otherwise, it's just a mostly cloudy afternoon. Backing things up, could see some rain showers over parts of the Dakotas and Nebraska. We had a Clipper system skip to our north earlier this morning that is now pushing well over to our east across the central Great Lakes region. And over the next, say, week or so, we'll be entering a pattern which is ripe for Clipper systems. Systems coming in from the northwest. Now, Clipper systems, they tend to not bring us tons of snow, but they bring us numerous snow chances as well as colder temperatures, especially this time of year, which statistically is the coldest time of the year. So that's what we get to look forward to. More chances for snow and, of course, colder temperatures. Let's fast forward to Thursday morning. Here comes that next weather system coming in from the north and west. South wind out ahead of this system. Dry Thursday morning, but by the time we get into Thursday afternoon, snow starts to move overhead. And again, this isn't going to be a major system because this thing doesn't have a ton of moisture to work with. But as that surface low gradually works its way over the western Great Lakes by Friday morning, we're on the backside of this system by Friday. Snow showers will continue to stay in our forecast. Nothing super heavy, but with the snow showers combined with a breezy northwest wind, we could see some travel impacts through Friday's morning commute. Temperatures probably at their warmest early Friday morning with that northwesterly wind pulling in that colder air. We'll likely see temperatures fall throughout the day on Friday, bottoming out as we head into Saturday and Sunday. So here's a couple of forecast models that highlight areas with the best chance at 2 or more inches of snow. So again, it's that shovelable amount of snow. The areas in white, that's the European model. The dark blue shaded area is the GFS or the American model. And where they overlap is kind of this purplish color. And you can kind of make out the trend here. The northern third of the state of Minnesota and most of Wisconsin have the best chance of seeing that shovelable amount of snow, 2 or more inches. Here in the Twin Cities, kind of on the edge. It's probably going to be the case where we see an inch or so of snowfall with the first wave Thursday afternoon into the evening, and then just lingering snow showers could gradually rise up to a couple of inches of snowfall during, say, Thursday night and in through Friday morning. So it's Thursday's evening commute and Friday's morning commute for that best chance for accumulating snow. That's why we have our next weather impact alert. It doesn't look like anything super major, but it still can change. It's only Tuesday after all, and the snow is going to be moving in later on Thursday. This will be an all snow event, longer lasting, and a few inches of snowfall are possible. That'll lead us into the coldest air we've seen in a while. Take a look at your weekend forecast. You can see temperatures dropping into the single digits for overnight lows. It'll be breezy on Saturday, so that 11 above for a high, probably not feeling like it. We're probably looking at sub-zero wind chill most of Saturday and a good chunk of Sunday as well. Another weak Clipper system passes by on Sunday, giving us another chance for light amounts of snow. Regardless of how much snowfall we do see, it does look like temperatures will be cold enough to make it feel more like January. Something we haven't seen a whole lot of so far as of late. Increasing clouds today, still warm. Temperatures holding steady, if not dropping a couple degrees as we head into the evening commute. Northwest wind between 10 and 20 miles per hour. Temperatures pretty warm region wide. We're looking at temps above freezing still up across northern Minnesota. And look at that, near 50 degrees in southwest Minnesota. Breezy later this afternoon, and this is that colder air working its way into the region. These are forecast highs for Wednesday, and you can see much colder. We replace the upper 30s up north with single digits across the international border. Low 40s here in the Twin Cities, low 20s for highs as we head into Wednesday. Not only that, but we are forecasting single-digit wind chills most of the day on Wednesday as well. So we're going to have to adjust our wardrobe considering we've been used to these warmer than average temperatures for a while. Top number is the forecast air temperature for Wednesday. The bottom number is the forecast wind chill, and you can see the wind chill hanging on both sides of zero in the morning hours, staying in the single digits throughout Wednesday afternoon. So do dress accordingly. We're going to be dealing with those colder temperatures as we head into the rest of your forecast as well. Thursday, temps back up near the freezing mark with afternoon and evening snow showers expected. Friday, again, the warmest part of the day will be during the morning before temperatures tumble, probably in the teens by Friday afternoon, and feeling even colder when you factor in that wind. Bitter cold January weather in the forecast this Saturday and Sunday. That'll be followed up by more light snow possible Sunday. Flurries linger into MLK Day. Temperatures likely staying chilly as we head into next week.